To book appointments, you have to visit Ministry of Road Transport and Highways website, that is sarathi.parivahan.gov.in, and then you have to click select state name and then select state. After that you have to hover your pointer to appointment and then click slot booking DL test. If you want to book for learner test, you have to click slot booking LL test. To book slot for the driving test, you just need to click slot booking DL test. And then you have to select this radio button against application number. And here you have to enter your application number, date of birth and this verification code here. After that you have to click submit button. After entering application number, date of birth and verification code, click submit button. Application details are not available, click OK. There is some error occurred, click home button, click slot booking again and DL test slot booking. Select application number, again enter your application number, date of birth and verification code. Click submit button. After that you have to select this checkbox for requested transaction, that is the class type. After that you have to click proceed to book, this button, and then you will see the available slots. These are available slots, green color. If you want to book your slot for the next month, and then click next button and then select the preferred date, and then after that click this radio button. This is 18 slots is available, and then you have to click book slot. Then you will get an security code and OTP to your registered mobile number. Now you have to enter the security code. After that click submit button. And then click confirm to slot book. See, your slot is booked successfully. Now click print or save as PDF to keep a copy for future use. So friends, in this way you can apply for driving license. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel ManiTech. Thank you very much.